Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the DNS IQ touch-free car wash at the Oasis car wash in Cheyenne, Wyoming.
Okay, keep going. Alright, looking around.
Now turn right onto South Greeley Highway.
Little bump. Okay, and there we go. Very interesting vehicle right there. Huh?
And there's the car wash
Oasis
on the left.
Okay, I'll slowly work
from the back.
In 500 feet, turn left.
I see. We'll get here and go all the way around.
Now
Nice.
turn left.
No rails. What system is this going to be?
DNS IQ touch-free.
Oh man, I've been wanting to see this.
Now you have arrived at your destination.
Well, they got a sorry close gate too.
Yep.
But sorry, not sorry today.
And here we are.
And here we are. Alright, I'm going to hand the cameraman my card.
Oh, not $18.
Oh, Jesus. We're tourists.
18
And
plus
14.
Platinum Wash. Review your selections, then press Pay Now. Choose your method of payment. Insert your card now. In paying with the tap card or mobile wallet, hold your card or phone against the reader. Press the red stop button on the... For a receipt, press Print.
Please drive
Or pull
forward.
into the wash bay. Please collect your receipt.
Please drive forward. Please drive.
And there go the pay station.
Very nice.
Yep.
Okay.
Now turn right onto South
Am I
Greeley
centered pretty
Highway.
good?
Yep.
Please drive forward. Please drive forward. Please drive forward.
I don't remember driving this forward. There we go.
Place car in park.
We got it.
Place car in park.
Yep.
It is.
Hear about that?
Tell that guy to shut up, cameraman. Windows are clearly up. Okay. That's all it did to start?
It's gonna do the pre-soak.
Okay. But
It did
came,
like a bug prep is what it looks like.
yeah, okay, because it came forward just a little and went back.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got a bug prep.
Yeah.
Good.
And even the door went down behind us.
There's a door behind it?
Yep. The garage door.
Wow.
You're kidding. Oh, you're right. Now I wonder if the weather's real bad if that one comes down too. We've seen that before, haven't we, cameraman?
They got pretty lights up there, huh?
Oh yeah, Purdy.
Pretty.
Purdy. P-U-R-D-Y. Purdy. Purdy.
Pretty. What kind of car wash is it?
So this is the DNS IQ touch-free, and we're at the Oasis car wash.
Yep, in Cheyenne, right?
Yep.
They got the juice. Look at it.
Yeah.
Tri-foam look nice.
Yep.
The last car wash, water with the 2.0.
Yep.
No, the car was actually shiny from the 2.0.
Correct.
So I hope this is a great wash because it was really shiny.
Yep.
I was like, oh my God, is that a new car?
Find out if this puts more shine.
Yeah, we're gonna find out, aren't we?
Yep.
Daddy, are you quiet again?
Oh yeah, I'm actually just watching the car wash. I need to be more talkative, don't I? Okay, what is this cycle? Because I haven't seen this.
It's still doing the high pressure. We've been through this system before in Daytona Beach, Florida.
How did I forget that? Come on. I should have.
I may be a big though.
Of this one?
What?
I like how these rotate 360 degrees. Oh, you're looking up there. Okay. You get a shot of the light? And guess what? This used to be a manual bay because there's where you could put your quarters in and you can use that hose. This is a converted manual bay. They still got the original spray hose and quarters and timer to wash your own car.
Yeah, they're coming with some pressure.
Under pressure.
You know this car never been touched.
Oh, you mean in a test wash? Right. This is strong. You know, these washes out here might be stronger because of the weather in these places. There are probably times when it's got to have this kind of pressure.
Oh, that's right. To
Yeah.
get off salt.
Smart. There's the pretty lights
Yep.
that our backseat driver likes.
Disco. Did you come to party? Car wash party.
And that goes up and over and senses the car, doesn't it?
Yep.
So it's going to almost touch us, but not quite.
Correct.
Yeah, we talked about this before.
It was one wash that made me really nervous.
Yeah, this is the one where it comes at the windshield and then goes up all of a sudden. It looks like it's going to run into you, and then it rises up at the last minute and goes over. That's this section.
Oh, God, no, not another one. That one had me so...
Scared
Yeah.
on that dryer cycle.
Dude, I was like, oh my God, I'm about to lose the Hilton. We gotta die.
Yeah.
All right, go forward now.
Hold up, wait.
Just kidding.
You had to go forward there. You see what happened.
Now, what's this cycle right here?
Let's see.
What do you think?
That must have been, we'll see.
That's quite the noise. Okay.
Yeah, it sounded like someone's...
Oh boy.
We might get our spot free rents here, we'll see.
Oh, but I didn't. So they said it cost
Yeah. There should be people out there waiting to do our tires and wheels.
I know why it was $18.
Why?
Because they got pearly lights. Somebody get a paper right?
Here we go. Is there a timer anywhere?
Nope.
Just gonna have to do this by feel. That means the whole car's not gonna get driving. We'll be driving, so it's fine.
Yeah. You know what's on the right?
What? Cones, because they knew cameraman was coming.
Thank you for coming. See you next time.
Tune in, like, subscribe. What do you always say?
You'll hear it in a second here.
Okay.
Okay, there go the manual bays. And there's that sign, Oasis Car Wash.
Yeah,
And there's like 4 manual bays.
that's right.
2, 3, 4.
Alright. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and buy YouTubers. This was the DNS IQ touch-free car wash at the Oasis Car Wash in Cheyenne, Wyoming. Bye.
Bye.
Bye!